We are here at the last installment of the three-part series where we answer the question, what is the one action I need to do for my website? From our very first video of the series, we mentioned that there is no magic bullet and that the truth of the matter is that in fact, it is the combination of actions that will make the maximum difference. From the previous two videos, you have watched us give two examples from our patented online marketing mastery formula on how you can combine such actions. In the third installment, Patrick Williamatter will illustrate how to combine the last two examples with a third example, your website. But wait, if you haven't watched the first two parts of this series to get a greater understanding, then pause this video right now and watch them. You can find the links here. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it.
So here now I just jump to one which is transform your website from a home page to a marketing tool. So that's where you will a bit place those keywords inside and optimize your content. And from what you saw from the monitoring that the people, you advertise them to come for leather shoes, and then they all went to the tennis shoes. So now start to speak more about your tennis shoes on your website and kickstart with tennis shoes directly, yeah, to have better combination. So when now you start to combine, if you double the amount of traffic on your website, you will double the amount of leads. Yeah, that's double it. But if you combine this with doubling the amount of conversion to bring the right traffic, so you will not double it, you will quadruple it, because these two actions combines themselves. Yeah, double the amount of traffic and double the amount of people become client. It will give 8 times more result than if you just do one or the other.
If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at our playlist. What are the best marketing strategies to use? You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.